everyone. In this video, I'm going to go over how you can use the products page inside SellerChamp to download your inventory reports, your product reports, how to make bulk updates to your products, how to remove your products and how to relist them, and also how to recover your products, restore your products if you accidentally deleted them. All right, so let's get into it. To download your products, we have different reports that are available. So you've got the light report, which is basically just the basic data about the product, quantity, retail price, and so forth. Let me show you what that looks like. So here you've got the light report. It's got the SKU, the ASIN, the UPC code, item locations, the locations where these items are, where this product is located, right? Total quantity available, quantity that's listed on the marketplace, item condition, retail price, min-max price, cost price, net profit, the marketplace account where this item is listed, and so forth. Okay, basic data. Okay, and then you can also download the full report, which basically has pretty much everything you can think of about that product. So we've got the SKU, the ASIN, the UPC, the status, any errors that we found about that we found on that product, right? That product has. Of course, your quantity available. I also has quantity sold, the total quantity that has been sold for that specific product. You've got your prices, of course, your titles, your categories, your details, your descriptions, listing format, the date the product was last sold, number of sellers selling that product, sales rank, all of the different details are available. It just kind of keeps going on and on. Okay, the tags, handling time, and so forth. So those are the two reports we have. In addition to those reports, we also have the variations report. So any product that's being sold as a variation, the variation reports will have just those products, all of your variation products. This is needed so that if you want to make changes to your variations in bulk, the download report comes really handy for that. Finally, we have the item locations report. This report I won't go much into in this video because I have another video where I talk about how to manage item locations, where I talk about it specifically. But to give you a quick overview, item location reports has your items, has your SKUs, along with all of the locations where that SKU is located, followed by the quantity for each location. Okay, so just a nice breakdown of your items if you happen to be using multiple locations per item. All right. So that's download. The next is bulk upload. So you can, individually make changes to your products. That's fine, but you can also bulk upload them. And the way you do that is you click on more actions and you click on product, upload product data. Choose the file, right? So this has to be a CSV file. So typically what you can do is just download your light report or your full report, make changes into that file, right? And then re-upload it back in. Okay. So for instance, I can just take my light report here, right? And I can, let's say if I want to change the quantity available, then I can just make those changes here in bulk or change my pricing in bulk and then re-upload that. Select which marketplace this is applicable to. If that product happens to be on multiple marketplaces and you want to apply it across all of them, just say all, right? Otherwise, pick the specific marketplace, click upload, and that will upload your product data, through the CSV file. So that's how you bulk update product data. Again, as I mentioned in the previous video, any changes you make on the product page, if the product is active, it'll automatically push it to that marketplace. Okay. So that's bulk upload for you. The next is remove and relist. So the remove option allows you to check one or more items, or you can check all items by saying, by clicking this checkbox here and saying select this page to select multiple items, all the items on that page, go into more actions and then say remove. And now you have multiple options here. So what this is asking you is that, do you want to just remove the product from SellerChamp, or do you also want to add your listings on eBay or Amazon or wherever this product exists? If you check this checkbox, it will actually end the listing on the marketplace. Now, for Amazon, there is two concepts. There is the concept of inactivating a product on Amazon versus completely removing it from Amazon. So inactivating it, when you go to Seller Central, it will say inactive, status inactive, but the product will still be there under manage inventory. versus if you completely delete the product, then the product will disappear from manage inventory on Amazon Seller Central. So the second option is for that case, is when you want to delete the product and the listing from Amazon. So you would check that. The fourth option is, let's say you're selling this product across multiple marketplaces. So not just eBay, but let's say eBay, Amazon, Walmart, Shopify. And you want to be able to end the listings across all those marketplaces. So the fourth option will do that for you. So use it with caution, because it will remove it not only from this marketplace that you have selected, but from all the other marketplaces where this product exists. Click yes, and it will end your listings, remove your inventory, and so forth. Let's say you made a mistake, right? And you did not want to delete your products. You accidentally did that. Well, you can restore them using SellerChamp. And so the way you do that is you hit the filters button here, click the item status to delete it, and hit search. And this will then show you the products that you deleted from SellerChamp. This stays around for about 6 months, and then it completely disappears. So you've got decent amount. You've got 6 months to really undo a mistake. And the way you restore it is you actually click the options button here and you say restore. So that will actually restore this product back into the inventory, active inventory. You can also do this in bulk, right? So check multiple products, go into more actions, and then hit restore deleted. All right. So that's how you restore your products. Now the other option I want to show you is relist. So let's say you inactivated something because you didn't have the quantity available, and decided to end the listing on eBay. And it turns out that now you do have some quantity available and you want to relist it. So what you can do is search for the inactive items, right? Hit search. And here what you can do is you can go into your inactive products, right? You can check the checkbox here, go into more actions, and hit relist. Again, it doesn't have to be just one item. You can select all of them by clicking multiple checkboxes or just going up here and saying select this page. Then go into more actions, hit relist, and it will ask you, do you want to relist? And 3 selected products, because in this case I selected 3. Click yes, and those items will become live on whichever marketplace they belong to, whether it be eBay, Amazon, Shopify, and so forth. Okay, so that's how you relist your products. All right, I hope that was helpful. Any questions, again, do not hesitate to contact us. Our chat icon is located on the bottom right of your page. Click it, send us a message. We'll respond to you right away. Thanks. Cheers.